Hello friends, this is Shayantan from Digital Shubo. Welcome to my channel. Friends, actually many people are just asking for any background remover tool, how to remove background image from any particular image. So many friends have requested me and also asked me for any plugins or any software, free software especially, that can help them without knowing Photoshop to remove the background from any image quite easily and automatically. Okay, and the most important thing in digital marketing, this remove background option. We need remove background, we need to edit that background, we also need png photos for creating logo, for creating any templates, for creating any work in Canva that I have shown already in my last videos also on the topic Canva. So I think after viewing this video, you people can learn how to remove background quite easily and without knowing Photoshop, and it's a free tool that I'm going to show you today. You just need to open remove.bg, this URL, and after opening this URL you can log in or sign up, or you may not, whatever you like. You just need to upload the image. You need to remove the background first. Suppose I am just selecting one photo. This is the photo I am just selecting. This is the original image, okay, that I have uploaded just right now, and I just want to remove the background of this image. So when I am uploading this image in remove.bg, it just translates to this image. Okay, so this is a transparent image. You can use it as a png also anywhere in your digital marketing or anywhere you like. And if you want to change the background with another image, so you here in this software there is option of edit, where you just go within edit and you have the option to choose, suppose this image, or you like to go for any other, like just you need to select that specific image and you just need to click on that. That's all. And you just need to download this image after finalizing the background. Okay, so suppose you just need only a color, any choiceable color of yours from here. Suppose you are looking for red color in the background. Fine, just finalize the color and click. If you are just looking for any blur image in the background, just select this image, it's auto blur. So how easy and how quick the option you are getting without knowing the Photoshop is just amazing tool. I guess you people will like very much. After viewing this video, your work will be quite easier. So I'm just want to change the background to this image, so I'm just selecting this image and just, no, actually this is the same image, so it doesn't reflect it properly. I'm just showing you out this image. 1 minute. As I have chosen already the blur image, so people probably doesn't understand so much from this image. Okay, let's try once again. This image, just selecting, fine, this image just being ready. You just need to download it. Download image, that's all. Within 30 seconds you have done your work. Let's see, new ready image being made, just changing with remove background. Fine, I hope this video have helped you to work in your digital marketing field, and I hope this video have teach you lot of things which will help you in your digital marketing. Okay, fine. Thank you.